Babundabe, you spoke about
What is the importance of grounding yourself in prayer as umuntu wesilisa omncane?
Le generation esikuyona sisenkingeni of economic pressure. How do you as a man then rehabilitate yourself or go through some sort of therapy but without going to therapy because you can't afford actually sitting down with udokotela?
We're living in a society where I think you did mention that most of the loudest voices, especially online, because that's where the attention is right now, is women. And we find ourselves that a cancel culture.
How does one then, as a man, navigate around a situation like that where even the men that you look up to are ill-advising you?
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Injobo itungela ebanda from boys to men. Mokhuluma ukuthi from boys to men so khuluma ngabantu abancane abakhula bazoba amadoda emakhaya kuzothiwa amapopolwana kanti labo bazoba amadoda. Kodwa there is one person osuke very important kubo mama. Okwazi usesiswini ukhahlela uphume ukhale uzama ukukhuluma ukhase uzama ukuma igama lokuqala uthi mama. Uma ngiqala ngikhuluma Babundabe, are we all mahleli kanje mama's boys?
Yeah, we're all parents' boys.
Parents'
Not
boys.
mama's boys.
Yeah.
Ubaba has a critical role. In fact, there's a wrong impression that Ubaba must not be present during the pregnancy of a mother. Yet, according to City Travail, inhlungu mama mezithwele. So, with presence kababa, it reduces that pain in the abdomen, causing a mother to constantly release the oxytocin, vasopressin, which are bonding hormones. They are very, very critical at regulating a pregnant woman. So ubaba must be present. In fact, to a point ukuthi mina ngincenga amadoda ukuthi nalapha kwi-delivery room. Though that is controversial. But I always say, ubamba unkosikazi wakho esebeletha, she will feel lesser pain than eyedwa and struggling on her own. Kodwa ebekhuleliswe wena.
Mangvula mehlo as a young boy, I see my mother. I open my eyes, ikunu baba. I see my parents.
You see your parents, yes.
So it's very important that
That's very critical. In fact, the parents must constantly touch you, feel you, validate, and give you affection so that your nervous system is over-regulated. Because if they don't touch you, uzosafarisha skin hunger. Umusumdalo uhlala uxavula amantombazane because you were never touched, you were never validated.
Thomas.
Yeah, no, nami ngiyahambisana naye lekhoza ukuthi uma ukhulele umuntu wesifazane kufanele ulekhoze
Oxytocin and vasopressin. Vasopressin. Those are bonding hormones.
bengikwazi.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Mhlawumbe masibheka manje in our society, masibheka and the way we grew up, nala sikhulela khona sibheka nezinto zonke. Umfana wamanje makayibonele ayifite yena so that azoba indoda kusasa Babundabe.
But usuke ukhulisa uvobo mawenze njalo. A toxic man.
Whoa.
Yeah, the Zulu word for toxic, uvobo. Uvobo, yeah. Now, the first steps of growth are initiated by the father so that ingane izonyathela ezinyathelweni zikababa makwingane yomfana. On the other side, ubaba is critical in interpreting the world for the baby daughter, his girl.
Sure.
He must be present, visibly present. Akhulume nengane yakhe ayibheke ngamehlo. Because when a child constantly sees his father's eyes, he develops trust, proximity, and understanding that he's loved at home, he's accepted, and is beloved.
asivumeni ke manje before bangena bafethu asivumeni babundabe if you manje ukhula umfana akekho baba kunegama lesilungu esithi absent fathers, they're not there. Ngikhula khona ugogo and then my mother and then my aunties. My dad is not there. I meet my dad at the age of 10 or I meet my dad at the age of 15. This is your father. Oh, finally, this is my father. Kade ngikhuma na iphone in sometimes mhlambe we video call. Ilimaza kanjani lonto?
In most cases, ingane ikhule kanjalo Sotobe, they experience emotional underdevelopment because we responsibility ka baba ukunaturisha certain parts of the brain for male development. So ingane imibonise again iba ne confidence of a man that is required. But uma ingamboni ubaba ibe experience a very painful period of disorientation. I-rely ku-information ezoyitshelwe endlini ukuthi isimo sakho sikanjeni, and immediately isi-rely kule library and data enikezwa yona ekhaya engakwazi ukuzi-experiencela yona iy'filele yona, then i-disability and emotional unavailableness and pain begins to set in. That is why Sotobe into engiyibone kwi-practice yami iy'ngane ey'fika zincane zino-12 zithi zinabantu abadala zinemoya but uthola ukuthi i-behavior yazo imimika i-trauma. You know, ungabe usa-understanda noma i-absence of parental love or ngempela imimoya yini, kodwa uma wenza i-assessment kuvele izinto ey'ningi ey'khombisayo ukuthi this child has never been validated, given enough love, attention and proper food.
Yo, Tumez, in Zulu we say ikhona lenyoka layibonela. Betukule. Why you cry that? Why you crying? No man. Bakhona abafuni phambili, bakhona ubaba phambili bazokhulisa. Uba ukhuluma kule level yomqondo kodwa iyakwazi kanomfana ikhule ngaphandle kababa.
Ingane yomfana iyakwazi ukukhula ngaphandle kababa. Isukirela lapho kakhulukazi kuma father figures amanye wathola kwi-community amanye emndenini or in the extended family.
Sure.
Ngoba thina ke ekakhulukazi thina abantu bampisholo we are communal creatures.
Sure.
So believe it takes a whole village to bring up a child.
Sure.
So kwesinye isikhathi uthola isingane mengenayo ubaba iyaba nomalume iyaba nobhuti omdala. I lost my father at the time when I hadn't fully developed and matured as a young adult. And the person that took over was my big brother. And big brother wami wangifundisa ukusaba, ukuntshontsha iy'nqamu zikagwayi, ukuya ethaveni next door because kunomsindo, kudlala ibhola, babushiya ichibi. It was a popular thing yokuphuza lezo ichibi lezo.
Sure.
Ngangisaba mangifika ekhaya nginuka ugwayi esandleni or nginuka isichibi engithola. Uzokwenza njani? Wangifundisa responsibility of taking care of the family beast. We had dogs at home. It was my responsibility ukuphakela izinja day in day out, ukuhamba ngenyawo ngebhusha ngiyothenga ukudla kwezinja.
Sure.
Ngiyiphekela izinja, ngiyiprovide for zona izinja and ensure i-well-being yezinja. Wangifundisa ukwazi ukuyinakekela and understand the role yomuntu wesilisa in the family, even though I was the last born, but I had sisters and I had a duty of protection. I had a duty ukuthi ngibe khona present ekhaya when he is away. Ukuthi makhonto efunakalayo edinga umuntu wesilisa ngibe khona early.
Sure.
I was afraid of him. I had deep respect for my brother. His friends also nabo played the same role. Ngaphesheya kukhona uPaul, but Paul khona Paul, but Ian, khona but Sam ngapha, khona bani khona umfundisi wasendaweni, khona ubaba laphana oyiphoyisa. So ngaleyo ndlela angangalona ichwane lenyoka. Ubaba wayesehambile indima yakhe enkulu, but mina I hadn't fully matured into a role yokuba. I hadn't transitioned from being a botongwana to being a boy to being umpanyana osakhula insizwa ngcono ngisho njalo.
Sure.
So ngaleyo ndlela kubalekile youth yanamhlanje they are left to their own devices to figure out life. Why? Because even abazali babo have not figured life yet.
Yeah.
They're battling in their new careers. Abanye battle with employment. Abanye battle in their own romantic relationships. Abanye battle with their own traumas abaphila now.
Sure.
So now they've not fully bona
Basayifuna now. They're still-
basayifuna
yeah.
so lo omncane omfana uyayibonela uyayibukela television, his peers, uthisha wakhe
TikTok.
and TikTok lo wesifazana une guidance yena into zona ayiphathi kanje bavala isango ntambama ngo6 bayifundisa isimilo bayivusa ekseni ngovivi bayifundisa ukwenza umsebenzi
Sure,
wasekhaya
sure.
bayibambe yabukela yonke into
Sure.
inama role models i-guarded because nama boundaries edlala ngaphansi kwawo owesilisa fanele azibonele yena esamncane
Cool, let me bring a young man here before we spoke. Young man who say Solitla High School, Somi. And Nina, as young boys, money in order is all about, I think man kuluma, you talk about money, you talk about girls and the fashion, what is trending, TikTok, and then from Bangena, sometimes it was about Uti, I'll see what I do. Money in order, so will be kuluma as young boys, ni kuluma ni teen excess.
So, I upendula lo mbuzo is more of like every time when me and my brother, I'll specifically talk about my friends, right?
Sure.
So whenever I talk with my friends, especially when it comes to peer pressure, etc., and we don't pressure one another. And when we see that there are certain adults that are being influential, and they're terribly excuse
Okay,
me.
yeah.
So they are being influential, and the way that they are being influential, they are not being influential in a good manner or in a good state.
Okay.
So because of that, me, like, I don't have a father figure, right?
Sure.
But that didn't make me be the same or choose a path whereby I can rely on them, because they come to us, they be like, yo, like, they giving us money, etc. But then our main focus was like, no, I don't want to be a person who's doing these things.
Okay,
I
sure.
don't want to do, yes.
Okay. So suppose you're young, you're on the radio, you're on television. At a young age, you're doing well, and then you're known, you're popular. You're still growing, and then you want to be a father one day, and then you're growing. My daughter. This is in the corner, man. The girls are there. And then girls, they say about talent, they send pictures, nudes, to say, hi, Paul. How you deal with that as a young man?
Yeah, gonna say what's all.
Come on, man.
Siyawathola kakhulu, but into ebaluleke kakhulu, I think ma ususebenzile empilweni, I'm only 24 years of age, and ngayiqala lento ngina 13 yonke nje into engiyenza empilweni. I think into ekusizayo ekuthatheni isinqumo esizodala ukuthi ungagaxele entweni ezibhedayo, ukucabanga yonke leminyaka osoyisebenzele. Kwesinye isikhathi asidinga ukuthi sifunde from ubaba uNdabe, sibamba ngeinkulumo zakhe ngendlela.
Sure.
Asidinga ukufunda kubaba uSotobo Linda Sibiya, sibamba ngendlela. Uthumbeza angasho something kanti kumina seyisifundo.
Yo.
Sometimes that's how we learn kule industry, ikakhulukazi because ma ukhuluma ngomuntu who's been around for iminyaka, mhlambe leminyaka osusebenze ngayo wena iminyaka yami ibhanqiwe ngokiminyaka yami empilo.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Come on.
I can't compete with umuntu ona 45 ongazothi ngifike kanjani la. Angeke ungidiyeme emva kalokho ngikunike inumber because ngifuna ukusiza where I can help. Then ayisekho indaba mayelana nengane. Isimayelana nawe. Sekufi once ke loyo. Sure.
As from view ones to to a dead.
Yazi kukhona la ngifuna ungelela khona kusho undodana.
Yeah.
The challenge with black parents today, they are occupationally preoccupied. Meaning to say the majority of parents wake up in the morning at 6 before even a child wakes up. Babi ebusuku suzela, they don't even supervise your homeworks. What exacerbates the situation, a challenge in with modern black parenting is that our parents, they are immature and they attempt to parent and have children with total immaturity, which has got devastating consequences. You can imagine ukhuliso uma osajolayo who's smoking weed and who's changing men in front of you. Already there is a negative ingrainment of a certain behavior. Engase khambe nawe noma uyingane yomfana une desire for a good behavior, But this observation of your mother or your father's behavior, it would derail. For instance, our children have seen the worst of us. How? Ingane yakho ikibambe ama-nudes efonini yakho ubaba. Angithi musushintsha ifoni Ntombeza unikeza ingane yakho le ndala.
Anginawo angazi ngempela anginawo
Today, an average child knows that dad is cheating or mom is cheating.
Yeah.
That is the thing. Our kids have seen the worst of us.
But before you pasted the Pubes and no Pebble Shepherd, I want to ask you a question, Iti. I started working at the age of 17, Babundabe. Working at the age of 17. And hambang your car by security, I'm young. And then I'm taking care of my family. My father had 4 wives. From one man, we were 33. My brother, at a young age, I'm supporting my brother. He will wait for me as station Mkababa, Petam pulling what I saw. I say, Ngel 20 rand. That was my father was busy working. My father said to me, in fact, when I was excited, man get to start at 5 in Hambeng or Sabens. He didn't care what was happening. But that is why now when I motivate, when I speak to young men, when I'm close to my sons, it's because I know. And then when I shout at them and tell them, good day, at the age of 17, mentally, I thank God that I'm fine. I thank God that I'm supporting the family. And I thank God that I'm motivating the nation. I'm speaking positive. So there's young men on Bugayo, Ntombeza, Oti. I don't understand. But on the floor. I was the last person to sleep. I was the first person to wake up in the morning. Growing up in Makai, same thing. On my way to a store in Twingiwe, young Shabo Kometa, UTA, or Ibon in Komazilumbil. Mangsha in Gome, Kabang was dry whaley, according to Lukshayo. So I come to a Deben, same thing. I go to Johannesburg, the only thing that I had in my mind would I have to take care of my father, my mother.
It's true.
So the young men now, 2026, Ntombeza, now 2020, it's not like 1994.
That's the thing. Ntombeza said something mouthful. I was very impressed when he mentioned a supportive community structure and family structure.
Yes, sir.
These Velcron kids, they don't have that structure. They're on their own devices.
Sure.
So they have to figure out using social media.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. Social media is one of the most destructive tools that you can utilize to find the self. There's nothing that beats human connection, the advice or the therapy that you get from the voice of somebody that you trust. But there's nothing that is fruitful that can develop a total masculinity that you can earn from social media. We have to sift through a lot of garbage and opinions in order to get to the truth.
Angek Pubes, when you ukuluma highly ngoma wako utu mawam, and then more cooler man, I'll consult, I'll speak to my mother. Umaku tin gwen, make kulisa, enge kubaboy father figure next to you.
Well, ukhona father fake.
Sure.
Yeah, ukhona ubaba. Ngikhuluma highly ngoma ngenxa yokuthi uma ungifundisa i-vulnerability kakhulu uthi as a man akumele uqine ungakhali so ukimbrace uma into yokuthi ngiveza ukuthi uma wangikhulisa kanje uthando olithelo uthando lomuntu wesifazane
So uma uthi indoda ayikhali Ntombeza indoda ayikhali
sengikhulume kakhulu ngalento sibiya sithi beast thina indlela esikhulume ngakhona lento yokuvikela ikhaya yokuvikela imfuyo yokuvikela amasimo yokwakha umnotho yokwakha legacy of businesses that we create that would outlast us.
Sure.
Because lento sincele kobaba siyazi la ekhaya makuzela umuntu kwenziwani makushoniwe kwenziwani ifakwakhe inkaba yengane masivika izulu masishweleza masibonga makushintsha isizini zonke lezi zinto lezi makuhlinzwa kanjani inkomo imbuzi iphandla yonke into imfihlo le oyithola kubaba akufundise yona namuhla abantu besilisa abaningi bakhuliswe omabe so even bona indlela yabo abenza ngakhona into abayincele koma wabo ngoba baba basekho. Social media is trashing men. Men are trash. social media, content ehamba kakhulu is anti-nuclear family where there's a father and a dad. People are promoting divorce, and people are talking about new age terms like toxic masculinity. Tina, we wanted to win at all costs. We wanted to make the podium. The podium only had 3 sports, 1, 2, and 3. Manje umuntu uthola number 17 athole in the participatory medal.
Sure.
Umuntu adwebe isithombe siba, oh my prince, that is such a beautiful, and then he goes to the workplace and they tell them, no, your work is substandard. Your work is substandard. Angakwazi ukuyithatha because noma ngadweba qhubhize enzeni kuthiwa, oh my prince, this is so nice.
Sure.
And then akanayo lento le esinayo yokufuna ukususa ukhalo imbewu okhalweni uyidlulise yena ukhuliswa uma kodwa umuntu wesilisa, and the expectation mehlangana nathi emgaqweni is ndoda ngalesikhathi abasekho baba ufanga busekhaya. Yena usafuna ukuyoyizwisa ngoba usebenza kanzima, usafuna ukuyoyijabulisa kubona uyonga uyaseva, ufuna ukukhulisa umndeni. Leyo nto leyo sibuya mfowethu angazi ngiyafisa ukuphefumula ngayo ngoba thina obona nje obhisti beza emva kwethu phakathi kwalaba obhubesi. So baphakathi nendawo, they've tasted the world esiphuma kuyona, and they live in the world le eficwe labafana labo. Abafana bakhuliswa oma, abafana bakhulu obaba bengasekho, abafana la i-opinion, i-weight ye-opinion umuntu wesilisa siyaphetha.
Sure. Best. Njengoba umncane nawe khona windoda. And then mawubheka nangekhona umbhubesi indoda ayikhali.
Yeah.
Umhlaba uphambi kwakhe manje.
Yeah. I think advice embi ukuthi indoda ayikhali.
Sure.
I tend to pick up ukuthi nayo leyo phrase ishiwo ngecontext engafani.
Sure.
Abanye bathi indoda ayikhali ngisho kunjani, abanye bathi indoda ayikhali ezimene ezithile, abanye bathi indoda ayikhali phambi kwabantu abathile. So those fine lines in between define what is really meant by ukuthi indoda ayikhali.
Sure.
Personally, I don't believe in that. I believe ukuthi indoda kumele ithintithe iqhubele phambili, but more destructive ukuthi uvalele into ngaphakathi. Nanokuthi asikwazi kuba ne general saying for abantu abangafani.
Sure.
Asifani. I-level ye emotional intelligence yethu ayifani. Indlela esi-approach ngayo izinto ayifani. Genetically, you could feel more than the next man.
Sure.
So how can we then say, sobabili fanele singakhali?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Uyabo?
Futhi umama wakhe futhi engabe wrong ekhuluma kwenye context, mayikhuluma naye uma kabhubezi ukuthi akhali kodwa ingafani. Manje ublanket futhi manje uyinkinga kodwa khona babundabe. Babundabe obuye khona indoda ayikhali ubhisto eshaya ukuthi hey leyo khala, and 2 ukukhala ezengwenya, crocodile tears.
Indoda ayikhali is a misrepresentation of stoicism. Ayichaza lokho. It's a misrepresentation. You see, contrary to the falsity of history, the Stoicism was popularized by so-called Greek philosophers. But if you trace back, African mythology, there's a lot of Stoicism where we were taught to grieve later. Come on. Serious. Kuthiwe awuyibambe kancane kuhambe abantu yabo. Uthi umusu wedwa-ke bese uyazendlala. Uzubhuquze phansi. That is Stoicism. In other words, you package your pain and grief to lead so that you can get a personal time for grieving. The danger is this: if a parent does not grieve his sadness would be grieved by a later generation.
Shepherd, come on, brother. Shepherd, come.
That's the problem.
Come, Shepherd.
Some of us are grieving the pain of our mothers and fathers.
Please come. Yeah.
I
think it's very sad, you know. Sometimes we dehumanize ourselves as men, as if like we're not human. You know?
Sure,
so long society has made us to feel as if like us born abantu.
Yeah.
So we have emotions. We need
Yeah.
to express them.
Yes, sir.
Ukhala is part of my emotions.
Yes, sir.
So you have to cry as a man.
Yes, sir.
Ayikho lento ukuthi indoda ayikhali.
Yes,
Because
sir.
if awukhali khona la lento le oyigcinayo ezobhodlela khona. Then mase kuba inkinga.
So it's a problem that you're not crying, and then abantu society yonke ithana indoda mangakhali. Small shows, my brother. Now you're on corporate radio. Now you're working. Before we facilitator, umbuzo wami uthi kuwena iziphi izinto othi mawuyibheka manje uthi okay, I had to drop that and drop that because ngifuna ukuthi ngibonakale njengale ndoda. Masubheka manje zangisiza ukuthi ngiyekele. I met a young boy uthi kimina, Bulinda, thank you so much. Sengiyekile insangu, angisayibhemi insangu. Iziphi izinto othi ngidrophile lezi zenze ngisiza ukuthi ngikhulu ngibe ndoda.
Akaze ngiyibhema insangu siqale lapho. Ake siqale lapho. But you know, I think yabona uma sungena laphayana ku industry suqala ususebenza, you know, going from high school, university and then finding your first job. It's very hard ukuthi utransition. I think yabona nje okubaluleke kakhulu was to drop pride. Ukuthi njengomadoda njengoba kade sikhuluma nje manje sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi indoda ayikhali. That also njengoba kade shuba indaba yokuthi it's a fallacy in stoicism. Stoicism also pushes pride as well. Manje inkinga ngepride ukuthi ibuye ikulimaze, it hinders learning of indawo okuyona, because when ufuna ukwazi yonke into awufuni kuthiwa wazi wena.
Sure.
Yabo. So that's one of the things. And also another thing was yabona lento yokuthi uzofika endaweni uthi ufuna ukuskima no lover wena.
Sure.
Yabo. Ufuna ukuyiskimela no ama out ngeke akusize ekugcineni.
Sure.
Into ezokusiza ukushaya isibani, because ama-out isikhathi esiningi kokunye futhi even in corporate bange mentality yokuthi kudinga ukuthi umuntu azatshele ukuthi kumele enzeni, yabo. Ungazi ukuthi nje kusayi-assignment yasesikoleni.
Okay.
Yabo.
Ngizoyiletha kwimali, ngizoyiletha ekutheni sishada kanjani, ngizoyiletha ekutheni isalukwazi bamndabe sesikhule kuthiwa mfana wami ususiphuphile nisalukwazi kwenza you wake up in the morning and do imile and all that. It's very important nowadays. You don't talk about that. And then ukuthi makhuluma amadoda ukuthi wayibamba yini njengendoda. We have to talk about it so that abafana they know these things ukuthi babundabe senza kanjani. Do you still have time to say, to ask our sons ukuthi hey uphuphile ebusuku?
No, I think we need intense sex education for our young men.
Sure.
You see, when a child grows with emotional hunger and an emotional void as a result of a lack of adequate parenting,
Sure.
what normally happens, they develop this yawning chasm inside of themselves.
Sure.
Into enzakalayo ukuthi baye baqale umuntu afeel different than normal.
Sure.
Ebese kufika isikhathi where he has to anesthetize these painful feelings.
Sure.
It starts with masturbation. After that, if the primitive feeling is intense, they switch to drug and alcohol.
Sure.
And then after that, it's downward spiral. They've lost control.
Okay,
Then there's aggressive masturbation and an exposure to pornography, which then annihilate every path that the young man is trying to carve in growing.
Sikhulume ngakho namadoda kwi-men's conference. Now I'm here with from Boys to Men. Sikhulume about masturbation, and then Dr. Shabalala even said there's nothing wrong with it. Felix, and Dr. Shabalala said, Babdabe, it's fine, you can do it, but the problem would not be addicted to Guyana.
Yeah.
And number two, I call my pornography, the pornography. Amadoda maning I boga is kind of thing ubane legend ngayan. Sama uglali mangete studio asagaza. Upis lap asazi mhlambe uthi bese ubuye phela.
But that's what, when it comes to masturbation, what I've noticed, because I counsel a lot of these young men, it's a bit disturbing to see a young man presenting with psychogenic erectile dysfunction. He's healthy, he's eating well, but he's experiencing this erectile dysfunction. Uthi tracker back, uthola ukuthi his consumption of pornography is very, very high.
Sure.
So every time he's approaching a woman, he has to imagine scaffolding
True.
or Lexington steel.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, akasabu yena. So every sexual practice usuke any out of body
Sure.
experience.
Yeah.
And then a woman that he has been watching pornography with, expectations now. And these expectations are not
Sure.
fulfilled. Then there's a collapse in connection.
Spokotle, when at your age, in terms of money, houses, getting married, cars, or at your age as a bafana and cooler, ngikhuluma ukuthi amantombazane siphekejile beziwa amabhodlela alale phansi bekufiwa. That's a topic in ekhulunywa no shows umlethe no purple zokulethe shepherd. That's your topic ukuthi abe no weekend yethu. It was happening.
Nginenhlanhla ukuthi anginabo abangani aba esijwayele ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto kakhulu. Most of the time sina siyakhulisana from esikoleni saba nenhlanhla ukuthi siphinde siswane even when we're done with isikole. But sesinento manje entsha yokuthi awusayisho into oyenzile. So we don't speak about lezi zinto as in like back then esikoleni usukwazi nje manje ukwenza into ngikuphendule mawungibuza kuphela. But akusayona iconversation esihlalisa ndawonye njengoba sihleli kanje ngisho mina ukuthi ayizolo besiphethe 7 sathi shwini uthumbeza sabuya akusenzeki kanjalo uyabo uyabo akusenzeki kanjalo but kwakwenzeka kudala and ngicabanga ukuthi yona into yadala ukuthi umuntu aze abe overstimulated emqondweni because ubusuwazi impilo yokuthi kufanele iweekend yami iplane kanje and iweekend yakhe ba into eyodwa. Friday uyazi ukuthi uyapi, Saturday, Sunday asikho kodwa isikhathi oba naso la oba khona wedwa.
Sure. Bomla idinga wena before ushows. Sifuna ukuthi sibe nama body counts and sibe validated with no. Sengibashayela about 7, sengibashayela about 21. Mangihleli kuthiwa 9 inkunzi, kuthiwa beka no magic la. No beka no shop la. No beka ni shepherd la. Beka no beast la. No ubese una ushaya about 10. Kuye. Why lento kube yona itopic kakhulu mabekhula amadoda?
That's a absence of fatherhood. If a man is father-led, father-protected, and father installs, he gains internal spiritual libido, which does not warrant him to count the number of bodies of women that he has been with. Here is a tragedy. The higher the body count, the higher the chances of your marriage failing dismal. So we are no longer marriage material with a high body count. As for the woman, it's painful because there's no woman who has had a high body count who can connect with you at a deeper emotional level.
Okay. Again, before ngibafanga. No, yeah, it's this spending. It's spending.
Yeah, I know.
Soul ties.
Soul ties.
Yeah, soul ties. Le moya le ebakhona. Because ngibala amantombazana u35 kanti moya yabo yonke ikumina. Le ntombazana wakuba nebhadi oba ne-miscarriage. Le ntombazana la nayo waba nenkinga njengale. Sengenayo mina. Ayingilimazi yini mina mase ngiba nomunye umuntu wesifazane.
Uyakulimaza because what normally happens when you go through a moment of disconnection but there's still a desire for sex with your wife, your brain has to go and extrapolate from the past experiences in order for you to connect with your wife, which affects the strength of your virility at the end of the day. So there are so many men who sleep with their wife in the context of another woman. For them to reach orgasm, they have to imagine and fantasize about another woman. And that's not sex, it's a consensual rape.
Gabo, you can see we are okay. I put microphone.
Should inzima kakhulu ke uShepherd.
Iyashisa.
Shepherd. Tubeza keza kwe.
I mean, you are raping your wife using the image of another woman. That's rape.
Yes, shows.
Yeah, bona we
That's deep.
You guys,
You see, it's worse with soul ties. Because with soul ties, the scary part is that a woman can have sex with about 15 guys.
Sure.
What happens to the DNA material that is left inside of her, which can be found in her internal body system? It means if she gets married and have other children, you'll be surprised to see one child looks like the ex-partner. It's scientifically acknowledged, yeah.
Young man, young man, manhleli nodwa as abafana esikoleni. You are doing grade 11. So lihle. Nikhuluma amantombazana ukuthi mangaka usunawo.
Oh yeah, into esiyenzayo leyo.
And then unentombi eningi ushayela izandla.
No, not unentombi eningi, une-body count eningi.
Wena abafuzi lakhe sawo.
Kodwa uya-understand ukuthi nofika emshadweni seniyigrab angithi.
Asikholelwe kuleyo nto.
That's dangerous. You need to know today. Or if you scrap, there's a likelihood that when the only time that you'll enjoy a fulfilling sexual relationship with the wife will be 5 years of your marriage. The rest of the marriage, you're best sizwa omunye umuntu.
Hayi.
Noma ubungasekho connected to her. So we are creating disaster. This is the disaster in the making. It's the responsibility of us fathers to re-educate spiritual sexuality to our young men.
But at grade 11, at grade 11, I was not so. It was Kugu, been grade 12, Kugu, school it was a church boy. Nina, leo at your age, at grade 11, the tip yon. Be free.
Njengoba ngisho uziye kukhona abantu abadala ababa-influential. Yes. Then from bona who be like mhlambe sihleli but say bafethu nentombi engakho something like that. Hayibo uzenzani intombi zakho nanani. Nje mawudinga ubase we call a house like a base. So mawudinga ubase like nje mawushayisana la kumina then I'm going to borrow you indlu. Then I'm going to borrow you indlu. And if me personally I speak like I think that it's gonna be better if I'm going to use a condom. That's uncle, no dog. Sharp brown. And after then you are going to go to the clinic or whatever for prep or
But
commonly it's them who influences us. And as they had influenced us, take for instances, if Ulomo Mdala was able to influence two, technically 2 out of a group of 8, we will be able to influence the other remaining 6. And then such that we are in a competition with who has a higher body count. So if let's say Mr. Felix, right, he's within a group here, right? So like he doesn't have a house, he doesn't have money, and we'd be like, yo, guess we'd be like, let's get up 10 rand, let's borrow him some cash or something to do something nice. Yeah.
Young men, are you saying in your generation? In your generation, no.
Not you. In your generation,
are you saying that in your generation, send the mass sexual influencers?
No, don't worry. Say it. Yeah.
In fact, even before his generation, me and myself, I can recall numerous occasions where I'm a brazo around Dini or my uncle or make no mcimbi kaya, mase sekuyoshinzwa. It's wait a minute. So ntombi. Intombi, yeah. Urihamba kanjani, unayo okuvashela, kunayo inkundla lapho. It's I think manje it's just people are more vocal about it. Yeah, but it's been something that was there before the current generation.
Kodwa best nakhona mfethu ngosikhuluma iqiniso. Wonke ama sexual experiences or encounters akubona amarazo namantombazane ngasekhaya kwakhona uNomalizo kubo uNomalizo sasidule kuyakhona kunamapetshisi uNomalizo afuna uzonikhelela yena amapetshisi
yeah
akwele sonke sizilinela ecanga kubuka ngampela kunabantu abagangile besifazane
Yes.
utho akaandele so sonke siyazi ukuthi noma ungenayo imali uhlese imali encane uhambe uyocela akhela amapetshisi
Yes.
because awukazi uyibona mhlawumbe ugcine ebhukwini ngakhona lifihliwe ibhuku mhlawumbe umntwana leyo bhuku usuyobuka uNomalizo asithintise bethe mhlawumbe ngozuku
No, uqinisile.
umama usize anto size ekhaya
Abanye go as far as raping young boys.
No, there are women who does
Yes.
that, and then and boys will keep quiet because they say, "Which man kurume ngomama mamkhize kuzoba a problem."
Discredits womenhood.
Yeah.
uNomalizo wangibulala
Bubes, your voice, women bayithanda. You're a charmer. And
Uberry White.
Yeah, Uberry White. Once what Zanbonan. Oh my God. Then young men ninza kanjani to say, I know my dream, I have a dream and I have a vision, long-term goals and short-term goals, as when I Bubes ufuna phambili. But lezi zinto mayifika. Nina lento ethi no. I'm a break.
Reform yena ngingasho ukuthi amabreak one umfundiseke ekhaya ukuthi uma ikusasa lakho umimisele ngani ungakunaki lezi zinto zomhlaba. One iziyohlezi zikhona abantu besifazane bayohlezi bekhona. Unemali awunamali bayohlezi bekhona. Ingakho mina ngiye ngithanda ukuthi isikhathi sami ngisichithe kakhulu kwezemidlalo.
Your future involves women, not women. So your future involves your children and the wife.
Yeah.
So if you waste that future, you are getting into a situation where you are a wasted man before even you enter a future. So you're not marriage material. Now, this is a fallacy because it's painful that we normally attack women as not marriage material. But who talks about young men who are not marriage material? Because the majority of you brothers, to tell you the truth, young men, you're not marriage material. In fact, this is the end of the road for you, unless you go through intense transition to prepare for yourself for the future that you have carved. So Tobe, awukwazi ukutela nengane yomfana ungayibuzi lo mbuzo uthi wendodana akungichazele ukuthi uma uzibuka nje usesibukweni ikusasa lakho libona linjani, hayi career, hayi ukufunda ukudrive nonkosikazi, ikusasa lakho. Now, if you have never heard your father saying that, it means you have to imagine your own future. And unfortunately, that future involves opinion of other people. It's not centered within the self.
Ake sifake manje the vision board.
Yes.
Ezinye izizwe only bekhangilanga, they sit down, they write down ama dreams engane zabo bafana babo. Sit down, tell me, Peter, where do you see yourself in 5 years to come?
Yebo.
You go to the university, after university where, no, I'll have a gap year. Oh, why gap year? Because I want to go to your company, I want to learn something. Tina, we astayo lento tubes. Tu pants and uti mesh la. What ufunu ubona kuphi? Asiyazi non.
No, we don't.
Iphi indima ufuna idlalwe ke manje kulabo abantu abakhona.
Kule generation yamanje yobaba, they need to be re-educated. Re-educated, yeah. Angithi they don't parent, they raise children.
Yeah.
Now, if you raise a child, he experiences a lot of inadequacies. Falsified manhood, false images of observation, and a false man within himself. Whereas if you sit down and teach your young man art of manliness, the art of manliness, he has got something tangible to hold on that he can use for himself in order to start engaging in proper masculine skills.
Sure.
Which involves affection, helping your community, contributing and helping those that are vulnerable, including your mother and sisters.
Mawufika emakhaya ungakathatha ususebenza aba mama basema bayafika bathi hawu kunjani mfana wami uthi ngiyaphila ma hawu hey sesifuna umakoti besho with a smile hey bese bekutshela makukhona intombi ekhona endaweni bethi hawu uye phela yamazi lapho ubukhulu uthi uhambe lapha hey baphi labo mama labo who are guiding young boys.
Kwako baba Sotobe. Uyihlawe kubizela ecene ake siphume ngaphandle kweceke. Athi kwena wagcina nini ukuya lapha kaMngadi? Uthi baba singagcina kunomsebenzi ehlatshiwe 5 years ago. Athi kunentombi esiwuthisha lapha yumisi wangasho babethi womisi. Ngiyayithanda le ntombazana ngingakhipha ngisho inkomo zami ngiyaphela lapha. So those were very interesting subtle arranged relationships, and guess what, they lasted. They lasted. Our way to where we are seeking and finding, ufanele like a packet. They don't even last.
Sabela mna ngidlala alo mpahla leyo ukuthi ne ngiyabona ngibona lo uma wakho webona wena. Yabona odadweni lawo yabona kanjani? Ungayonike mfana imbewu uyaleka. Ungayonike mfana. Ufuna uthatha nawo uthathe wenze sure ukuthi imbewu iqhubeka la.
That's proper. That's proper. He was initiating you to reality. Now, England they're on their own devices. We don't initiate them to reality. Yeah, in fact, khona kulo nyaka itime lami lisanda ukuthi hey yazi ave sengizula ngama weekend phelezela abafowethu siphelezela izingane zabo ziyolobola ziyothatha because of a close relationship yami naye ne understanding ye communication lendlela es communicate ngayo naye ukuthi usewakhathalo uyibeka imbali
useyiteketisa manje.
Yeah, sure.
Ave ngingajabula ukuthi ngibiza abangani bami man sokubungaza.
So Tobe, there is a question that I want to ask all these young men. Uma ekhaya Friday, uhamba Friday to hang around uma base and friendship spaces as a man. Uzubiye Sunday, awuthethisa okay, nobody ask you for accountability. And then ube ne phupho lokuthi uyoshada musumdala. What are the chances ukuthi ngama weekend uhlale kwakho? Be honest.
Yabona kulowo mbuzo lo bamndaba impela. Cha, if we're being honest, hayi mancane amathuba ne. Awekho nhlobo mancane impela amathuba. And yabona, just to join in on this one, ukuthi I pressure ihlezi ikhona ukuthi hayi ekuse, you know how yazi usibanibani ngathi uyayishaya ngawo from abangani ke because yabo athi yazi usibanibani uyayishaya ngawo mawuthi wena but mina ngishaya nje ngaye kuthiwa awudingi ukuthi uzuyishaya ngaye mawunje wena ushaya into yakho kamnandi yabo awudingi ukuthi uzufaka amazipho vele u-out wena yabo awudingi ukuthi uzuthande yabo wena nje qinisa into yakho ukhona ukubase khona yonke qinisa into yakho wona lapha ngoba vele lo ugcwele ngawo.
Shepherd, because uba nama meets up niyakhuluma la. Yizi into nikhulumayo mohleli ne community when you discuss some issues. Izinto njengalezi bomndabe ukubuza umbuzo ukuthi ngohambe Friday obuya Sunday obuya Monday babuya Monday
Monday.
Niyakhuluma izinto njengalezi ukuthi no definitely wena ngeke uzukwazi ukumisa umuzi wakho.
Well, we have to change the language. I think one of the biggest problems in our community, especially blacks, is the language. You know, if we want to see amadoda ngcono, yabona like 3 generation.
Sure.
So it starts today that we need to change the language because ekathina iningi kune language embi promotive, especially in our black community.
Sure.
Ukuthi we have normalized lento kuhamba from Friday to Monday and there's no accountability. We are zenzela nje umathanda, you know. And so we try our best to make sure that we mirror ourselves as black men with what type of a version of a black man we want to see in the next 5 to 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So therefore we hold each other accountable.
Yes, sir.
No better, as long as because we have a vision and the type of generation that we want to see in the next 10 years, especially in South Africa. So we hold each other accountable and we tell them, bro, if we want to own things, awukwazi ukwenza kanje, awukwazi ukuhamba Monday to Friday. If you want to own a business, awukwazi ukuhlala ungabe accountable.
Sure.
Because what type of business are you going to own if you are not accountable?
Yes, sir.
So we hold each other accountable. We are making sure that we are going back to grounding ourselves. Le yokuhamba ulala noma kanjani ayisebenzi chief. Hlala nje umuntu noyi-1 makuthi uyabona ukuthi yona into ekufanele. But what is important is to build yourself as a man because we ask each other uncomfortable questions.
Yeah.
Who you are.
Yeah.
Because we've realized that most of the time as black men we always run away from ourselves.
Yeah,
we don't want to face
and
ourselves.
and I don't know you. I'm told you spoke with naye sikhuluma Monday to Friday, but I don't know who spoke with. Na kangazi futhi. When we meet mase kuthokshonile ngithi ish besikhuluma naye last week shama bottle now 4 awuyinje ambili njalo.
Ngaqhamuka lapho sitho. Ubhesi uzongifakazela. We enye into engiyibone about that behavior. I myself did that in my college years. Also in the early years of my career, I did it. By the time I matured in my career, I had done it. I had no desire to do it again. I was now transitioning into the next level. But if wayenzange kubamba kwi-middle age, lento usuyafuna ke manje ukuyenza ukugrova usumdala usule endaweni zengane wenza into ezingane usugcwalisa amatafula uthenga ama-champagne in uthenga iy'lahla whilst other men are living in leafy suburbs at the top of the hill and their kids are going to private schools. Wena usaya kuyima ufuna ukucollecta i-body count, ila usafuna ukucollecta iy'lahla, I think in the college years, that is where you get to live young, wild, and free, whilst getting an education, whilst getting a taste of that life. And then, I come from that school. So I'm not going to stand here and say, Beast, Leon Day Fanele, but we are lula with groove. yabo,
Sure.
udlule kwi-stage. In fact, that is exactly where you build your network. In later on in life, ngiyangibhilivele mina ukuthi abantu bazi ngiyakhumbula nje just recently I was out with Mr. Magic with Setandi, and the hands that we shook, we discovered ukuthi we have the same network of people, ne? Abantu siyakubona to shake izandla, lo mayor wakephi, lo bani man, lo bani man. Now I know this guy personally. Why? Because earlier at varsity, as we met him at this party, or he used to shift with that crew, that crew, that crew. Now, this now determines your net worth now. Masumdala.
Sure.
Yabo, in network lo developing on those cards. If when uthi, because everything is in stages. You have a stage. That's why utshwala bhaliwe ukuthi not for sale to persons under the age of 16. Because I feel it's a stage. Isikhathi sakho kufanele ufocus esikoleni, get good grades so that uzokwazi ukungena kule faculty ofuna ukungena kuyona. Mawuphuma lapho uhambe uyothola umsebenzi endimeni oyifunayo wena o enemali. Mawufika khona lapho, that's when then you bond with all these people, meet other people. Abanye bazohamba baye kumanye ama provinces and whatnot. Bangamela izikhundla ezihlukahlukene. Mongqongqoza awu CEO Spanman, director Spanman, manager la Spanman.
Sure.
So I come from the school Babundabe 80, which is why I'm getting in
Obist, yeah.
Ozoti. That's when you discover yourself early. I actually have a knack for singing or rapping or music, or I like the arts, or putting together events, or this, then the other, outside of the formal education, lecture ufunde. But there's other things. Actually like preparing drinks. Maybe I'm a barman, maybe I'm a barista, maybe I'm this. You meet girls, Babundabe. You meet girls, ahlukahlukene. Uzokwazi ukuthi wenza ama choices akho are right, and get your heart broken. Fall in love. Have umuntu ahamba buyele kube goli, and miss that person. Have an experience of a long distance relationship.
Sure.
Have an experience of a child that was brought up by just dad or just mom. Or now my sisters, or the only girl ekhaya type thing. So I ngiyasabeka manje ukukhuluma into enjengalezo because it doesn't fit with narrative, but iyona izinto ethatha ama ingredients abantu abaphumelele.
Sure.
A vast network,
That's
a vast
true.
experience. Iyakwazi ukwenza ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi udile na heartbreak, udile nokuchithelwa, ungazi unquma umuntu umdubulo umbulali, because it has happened before. So if you stay in one relationship and say, this is my high school sweetheart, that is the only experience you ever have.
Sure.
So I think we should
As-
talk
as-
in a
Thomas,
safe environment like
I'm
this
not
about
cutting
such
you.
things.
During our period, the period you're talking about, at least there was
No,
still-
eyakho yi-earlier.
Yeah. Of course, you came after us. There was still a relationship between the church, society, and parenting.
Yeah.
That was a powerful triangle.
Sir.
As a result, ngikhumbula kahle ukuthi into safunde edlangezwa uma waliwe intombi zazekamfathi insizwa.
Yeah, sure.
Zithi qina ke manje
Yeah.
qina kuzolunga hlehla nje kancane yabo. Futhi ungamlandeli. Ungakulinga uzobe silimaza seyinsizwa la uyomncanga intombazana. Yeah, but that's a powerful skill. But let her go.
Sure.
Yeah. So laba manje they are weak, they are fragile into azozuyibona. They are suicidal.
Yeah, udla amaphilisi futhi uyibulala phatha intambo.
Abe futhi ede ne weed depends the cocaine kumesi nje so abanawo istructure thumbeza sasina.
Kunembuzo u3 engicanga ukuthi manje ngicela singene deep kuona, very important. Isociety yonke when they look at us, they say we don't have love. We don't love women. Spoke to 24. Ubene one night stand. Mawuphuma lapho thola amantombazane ekutshelile ukuthi I have my boyfriend. I love him but wena ngifuna silale.
Yeah. Yeah.
So asikhulumeni ngakho ke sonke la sonke because into ekhona. No, I know you're married. I know you have your wife. I know you have kids. But ngicela nje bathi bathi no string attached. It's just to have mtavazo uphila kanjalo.
When you are a man and you allow yourself to be prostituted, what do you call yourself?
Come on, Spokosi, come on.
Hayi uyinkinga yomuntu. Usuyinkinga yomuntu.
But what name can you give yourself as a man if you allow yourself to be prostituted? You are a prostitutee. So we're sitting with a lot of male prostitutes who parade themselves as men. Let me hear from you, young man. Talk to me. What do you call yourself if you surrender to a weak woman who is asking you for sex?
I'm an appealing man. I'm attractive. Women are attracted to me. They like
That's
me.
sharp.
No, you're an escort.
Yeah, talk to me.
I get it.
You're an escort. You are.
Who red velvet straight in?
Because it's transactional.
No, but that's prostitution. That's what
Yes.
I'm saying. Are we saying we should normalize prostitution?
No.
That's what I was worried about.
And women, they're like waiting for a gentleman. Ezoti, good morning. Have a nice day. I love you. Last time, Tolama flowers. My puma, I'm taking out for dinner. Lana uti, stana wupi, stana nini, savaya. We are being asked, wuti, siwenza nini ucansi. Sikhuluma indoda enjani la yiphi le ndoda esikhuluma ngayo le ndoda yazi ukuthi maybe weekend kuyanjiwa umjolo imali esebenzi u20,000 rands when you come back you don't have money but weekend whoa it was happening dog it was going down what are we sakani babundabela
Uvobo, a male prostitute. And we're not going to build a nation ngamadodama prostitutes. That's the death of a generation in a nation. It means South Africa was struggling. We've got lesser men and many males. Yeah.
yo
So le yobusoka
Okay,
namasoka
Ake ngichaze
ayisekho
Sodoba.
manje because ngifuna ukuthi ngileke kahle because in modern day society that is the loudest voice.
Yes.
The type of a male enjengaleyo and a charisma and a magnet for women before during my time they were labeled as Casanovas. I always say Sotobe when they enter a room they own the particular room. All the guys want to be like them and all the girls want to be like them. These are people obaba bethu babedayisa insurance mama ngamakrasida noma esebandleni bayaziwa amagcokama bayathandeka isifazane siyabathanda labo bantu labo siyabakhumbula baba lwana bekhona house obani bani and those were the envy of men and benethonya labesimame nani we used to look up to those people but now those people are been vilified today and demonized and called with such words as prostitutes and in favor of a modern day men ongasanayo le nto le engisho le appeal ekhona the James Bond appeal type of hair. Leon njengamanje the loudest voice because the loudest voice is now female and anything that leans towards that voice but le ethi winkunzi ngoba inkunzi esibayeni it's an innate behavior that we're born with that you want to mate with females obviously nowadays akusekho safe because kunezifo kuyabulala and kuyakudetach now emotionally ube desensitized and end up usebenzisa abantu as vessels do you understand so I understand the dangers but are we killing that archetype
No, isoka akuyena umuntu omelana nabantu besifazane. First, insizwa ezithandayo, ezazisayo, enobuqhawe, ehloniphayo nezihloniphayo. Inono loqobo othandekayo kubantu besifazane because he is a role model of what a decent man is supposed to be. Isoka insizwa ethi mikhuluma nabantu besifazane ime ithobe akhuluma umuntu besifazane bisiyadlula. But when you find a man who throws his weight around the presence of women and women scream around him, there's something wrong with that caliber of women and that nature of a man.
uthi uyinono uyisoka elinono Spokuhle.
Yeah. I think bazongifakazela abafowethu ikakhulukazi because uBhubesi is an influencer. Kunzima on social media a lot. Kule space esikusona sokusebenza. I'm on TV, I'm on radio. So kufanele uyijwayeze leyo nto ukuthi mawufocus kuloyo at that time xila kuyena. It's too easy manje abantu besifazane are very predictable. Once wangena kule space mhlambe kusasa kuzongena umunye usiphokuhle enze the same thing engiyenzayo mase ngingasekho still lama voices njengoba Desha uBhubesi ezomhlaba ziyosala emhlabeni ngeke baphele. So thina manje sikusigaba sokuyifundisa ezamadoda. Each and every single day on your DMs mawungena kunomuntu wesifazane ushela uyena ke manje. Yabo. Akusenzeki ukuthi kube uwena. Angazi noma ngathi sesekuyiprivilege yini, but mina ngisakholela ekuthenini asakhona amadoda ayinsizwa amancane ayimasoka because lento seyinormal kuthini sesijwayele kunokuthi siye phambili nayo sesincomela ukubuyela emuva siqale phansi.
Bobesi, one second, yes, come. Now you get a lot of DMs.
Ya khona ngiyawathola.
Babona bengikuyibuyisayo. Sesikhulumile ukuthi isoka. What's a danger ekhona lezi zizukulwane thina singosaza ngo19 ngo70 banibani esikhona obhubesi emva kwethu osipokuhle osibu usomo ofundayo I-danger obukuhlinza kunenkinga makuthiwa kunento enziwe ekhaya. Number 2 ukusoma akukhulunywa ngakho manje akusekho ukusoma ndafuna ukuyenza ufuna ukukora ufuna ukungena phakathi ufuna ukungena ngqo njengamanje uthi ena 17 but usenengane eziwu2 insizwa umndeni usuke understand automatically asambe somhlawulela already usenengane ubuyabhema lo hayi lona usenje ingozi ekhona. How can we stop lo bungozi omkhona?
The question is, are these platforms enough to educate men?
Sure.
Mancane kakhulu. There are men who don't even have access to these beautiful devices like cell phones. There are young men who are alcoholic, who have found themselves in drugs, who don't even watch TV, who don't even read what is in the phone. Is society ready to speak about these topics? We are left wanting. Here's my fear. I think this generation, this plastic generation, is not going to live long.
Why OT plastic?
That's what I call a chewing gum generation because they stretch, stretch, and shrink, depending on how much life has chewed them and actually spit them out. They are not going to live long lives. In fact, I'm expecting this generation not to outlive 45 years old because so what more is left for them to live?
Impilo ifast fanja ngqala sawablema impilo mayifast. There's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's Facebook. Impilo ifast. Uqeda isikole semncane angena e-university aphume e-university kunama opportunities akhona. Sawablema. Are we blaming young men?
We have to teach them how to exercise restraint, values, masculine morality, and African principles of what a man is.
Sure.
Siba definele ngoba basazi abafana bethu. And then bese siqala phansi siyo reconstitute the social spaces where we can have an access to them. And that's why I normally advocate for social fatherhood. Social fatherhood, ukuthi uTumbeza, kunabafana about 20 that report to him, that he calls them, he talks to them, motivates them, and give them a fatherly love. Usotobe uno 20 no babumiyezi nabantu abafana about 20. How many boys? That's almost 60.
Sure, yeah.
So if we can save 60 young men kwamasho bakhule under our tutelage and mentoring, we've conquered Masho.
That's powerful.
So I would like to hear from the young boys themselves, the young men, sorry, I beg your pardon, them posing questions as to what's technical, but also we ask ukuthi Sotobe inking enkulu manje. Laba baphila ngalesikhathi samanje banengcindezi enkulu kudlula thina because abanawo amathuba bahlala emakhaya well into their 30s because they don't have enough opportunities in the job market. After college bahlala ekhaya, one with no money, which alone na kuyingcindezi lokho because now abasebenzi abatohozi, and they don't have that sense of belonging because abazali basemsebenzini ngaso sonke isikhathi. 3, they don't get companionship and get to be affectionate because girls their ages bafuna abantu abadala abanemali, so bona they left like in an island of hopelessness, and that is their daily existence. Abakwazi uku-attach to intanga zabo or amantazana abawafunayo bona aku age group yabo or are in their prime njengabo, and they are divorced from their parents and they are now isolated and emotionally abekho right. So as ngikhuluma kanje ngasekhaya ngizofika ngelokishini ngibabona abesixoka about 5 about 8 lapha about 7 lapha at a whole generation of abantu efengabe already manje sebeku age la ukuthi mhlawumbe seku supervisory role emsebenzini, gearing up for middle management, into senior management, into director,
Yeah,
into
sure.
MD, into CEOs, into MECs, into ministers in government. But le generation yamanje ayikwenzi lokho because abanawo amathuba and they're constantly living under pressure and barela kuhulumeni for 350 and life yabo yini abangayenza mhlambe. Like I want to hear from them
Sure,
because
sure.
that is their daily existence. Umfana omdala nawo umbone sebuyisikweni hleli phansi lekhaya.
Yeah.
Oh.
And for them to get that girl, ayithandayo, angakwazi ukuyi-accessa because of depressional conditions.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what they do? Baba befundisi. Ngoba uyazi bese I promise you. Uyazi ukuthi bese umfundisi uzoyi-accessa le ntombazana. I'm being brutally honest.
I'm a church boy. You are quite Israel.
Yeah.
No, I'm in church.
Serious,
I'm a
talking
church boy.
about I
grew up in church.
wearing shark skin suits,
Kickball,
aveni access easy lonto akada
Yeah.
ifuna. Don't ufice sidamage, but at least na uzodlula ngokuthi at least
Hey,
nami
Shepherd.
ngibaliwe.
Okay, guys, ngicela manje I'm able to Tumbeza uyasho. Ubaba uNdabe uSpear Tumbeza. Ake nisibuze imibuzo mina any question eningasibuza yona before Sivalo you're about to close and nisibuze imibuzo ukuthi nithini. You are here young man, ask us. I started radio at the age of 21 and I'm 52 now. I've seen it all. Ngiyayazi impuphu ibekwa etafuleni ngithi ngeke ngize ngizame lento. I refused.
So a question I'd like to ask here. So specifically to Mr. Felix.
Yeah.
So
Role model. Bad role model.
Really. So I wanted to ask you, Uti, like back in the township, right? There is so much pressure to do illegal things or act tough just to be respected, right? So I'm asking Uguti, how do I stay focused on my studies,
Yo.
right? Regardless, Uguti ngibe concerned Uguti, how are my friends going to look at me? Like they're going to look at me as if I'm a coward.
Uyabona mfana kithi. To answer your question, because nami ngiqhamuka kulo background, it was fashionable. Kwakaziwa umuntu onke imoto zikephi nendawo. Kwakaziwa abantu ababa TK shoplifters.
Sure.
Baqhamuka abaswenkayo baqhamuka kephi nendawo. I want to take you back to my first day in high school. Every time I'm actually doing motivations, I always go back to that day. Ngalela langa something eyashiwo tishomkhulu. Yebo, angale tishomkhulu urect ngala zekhasi zakudala ngoba ekhona tishomkhulu. But washo into ebaleke kakhulu. You know ukuthi mama uyaqala ukuphuma ekhaya, you 12, 13. Awukazi ube ngaphandle kwasekhaya and must figure la and there's bells and sirens and different uniforms. Awazi makhala le page ukuthini mekwekuseni gqoka leli nami ngikhiphe lelo shirt ngifake lona ngiyalandela sekuyodliwa sekuyostart sekuyawika awazi kwenzakalani sonke sididekile sonke sibasha siyafika asazi kwenzakalani. And then we went to first assembly and the first thing that man said echoes in my head till this day and it answers your question. When you go to school, you go there motivated by different reasons. Khona oya esikoleni ngoba akukho umuntu vele mina. Khona oya esikoleni ngoba ufuna ukushintsha impilo yakubo. Khona oya esikoleni ngoba of own personal ambitions la ufuna ukufika khona. Nonke nama reasons angafani. Already umakalo ubaba sorry umakalo uthisha ubaba uyiphoyisa khona iTV enekhala kubo or enjani. Oh nonke nihlukile khona ungenayo kwayona khona ohleli la kube kahleyise emakhaya uhlalisiwe la ukuthi aqede isikole kuphela so you ninama motivations angafani. So brother rector said ispeed enhamba ngaso asifani wasethi kungcono iwashi elimile kunewashi elihambayo elisho isikhathi esirongo ngoba leli elimile at least kabili ngosuku liyasisha isikhathi is right. leli lihambayo lihamba noma lirongo nomphelo lozilimi maseliphelo lebheje. So kubalulekile, one, association is the most important thing, because you get to choose who you want to associate with, whether those elements are coming from the same environment or ufuna ukuyi-escape on an environment. Labo bantu abasubscribe to yonke lento eyenzala ngasekhaya sebeqale bayabhemba intsango, utsango uzoqala kancane manje sifuna ukudlulela. Now you've seen elokishini indlela esiphila ngakhona awuyithandi, uyibonile leya kuma-suburbs, wayibona ihalelwe ifisa ne. So now wena bro odecidayo ukuthi wena uzobe watch elimile noma watch elihambayo but let's cut is wrong. So wena okufanele uthi mina uzosusa bonke labantu basekhaya la kule ndawo ngiyobathola endaweni right. One, fanele in the first 12 years of school ngifocus kuyona, so I can get my points right angizokwazi ngene lapha yana lo school. And masuse lo school fanele uyiqede lento longo, because njoba ulahla ungenayo no NSFAS, you don't know ama sacrifice enzo ubhuti wakho ubaba wakho bani ukuthola imali ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola ukuthi udle la. Awukwazi bona mlenze, akwazi ukufela, akwazi wenza lutho ne. Mose uqedile, you are now a sponge to M17, you respect authority, one. Number two, you respect your peers. Number three, you respect your boss, and you be a sponge and you suck everything that they know, so that when there's a promotion or a gap ever, your name makes sense. It follows logic to be you.
Yes, sir.
So, bro, iqala kuma decisions akho every day. Angithi uyazi lento ekuthiwa awusitshala isihlahla mhlaza nodinga umthunzi. Usitshala namhlanje ukhosela umthunzi later. So every day, every decision oyenza njengoba ungaka,
Sure.
your older self relies on this. Yes, beast what's omunye mfowethu ekuthiwa Stuart weyiwele sifunda naye UNP. That guy got a scholarship to go study in the US. But his 18-year-old self was living recklessly, waba involved with accident, ephuzile, washayisa umuntu washwa. He was denied visa to go to the States to study for his masters. So each decision yakhe impilo yakhe ophila ngayo manje affects your adult self ongamazi ongakamithi. Uzobe phila ngaphansi kwama conditions ama decisions athathwa uwena namhlanje.
Sure.
So every day.
Forward.
Babunda, you spoke about a 12-year-old ofika kwi-practice yakho ozothi unabantu abadala kanti chances are that person is mimicking trauma.
Yeah, early onset of depression and anxiety and milestone anxiety.
Yes.
And you know, 23 sisters who send a degree in honors for that matter, which happens a lot. Akusebenzeki boyfriend eqhamuki ebesethu unamaphupho and dreams and stuff like this. But when you sit down with them kind of sensitively and go through the assessment iveze anxiety, iveze situational depression, kube khona ne loss of the sense of self. You know, lo muntu udinga a logic, udinga i self recognition, udinga abantu abazomotivate constantly. Yeah.
Sure. Yes, Bobes.
By the way, kungasho ukuthi ayikho into ekuthiwa abantu abadala ikhona.
Sure.
But ngiba concerned if imimika ama mental health issues.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ya nginembuzo emibili bengicela baba bengiphendulela wodwa ukuqondene nawo baba. Oqala kulomkhakha engikuwona with being an influencer. Ngithola esikhathi esiningi sengi role model yabantu kwanami ngingakazazi fully, and now I get to be responsible for ukuthi omunye okhulayo obukela kumina ngiveza kanjani kuyena why mina self ngingakazazi. So then how do I then maneuver myself around leyo situation? Like yesterday angenglish igama lakho umuntu ongithintile ebusuku washo ukuthi as I have an issue kanje angibathola abangani, I'm not finding friends, and bengicela ukuthi wena ube umngani nami. Kwanami self I'm having struggles with. I don't know ukuthi lo muntu lo uze ngane empilweni yami lo engithi umngani nami. So how do I then console lo muntu lo and abanye ababukela kumina kwazi while nami ngingakazazi fully?
I think you need to step down, to step back into the classroom of silence and ask yourself a question. What values do I uphold and stand for? Umunge now look for 20 values, critical values that can create a framework around which you want to live your life. If lama values usuwa practice uwapila, you are going to attract people who are seeking people with these values. Bese bethi hey lensizwa inama principles kanti wena you are practicing those values. So ngingajabula ukuthi ungasheshe uye bunganini nalo fike kwena. Go back to the basic principles, ubheke ama values.
Sure.
Just go for 20.
Sure.
Live through them.
Sure.
You know, success, ambition, how you name them. You know, there's so many of them. In fact, there are above 120 of my values.
Yeah, sure.
But I'm asking for 20.
20, yeah.
Yeah.
Umbuzo wokugcina ubheke wena baba.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of grounding yourself in prayer as umuntu wesilisa omncane?
When you pray, who are you talking to? That's the first question. You're talking to yourself or to... I mean, a man is made in the image of God. So eventually, when you are praying, you're talking to the self, the inner self, the God part of yourself. You are tapping into that energy. Is sprout. That's why we're going to go through a stage of self-realization. That's grounding yourself. Now, Omunyage will come up evangelically at you need to embrace the Christ consciousness. You need to study Christ. Who is Christ? What did he represented? What did he stand for? Then you get bese uzama ukuhamba enyathelweni zika Christ. That is if you are pursuing a Christian faith.
Sure.
So grounding in yourself,
Yeah.
do continue praying.
Sure.
But let your prayer has fruits at the bottom.
Yeah.
Ungathandazi nje kodwa kungabi khona ama-fruits of the prayer and the Holy Spirit, as they say.
bonke besinabo abundabe kuswa kumfethu uThumbeza kuya kuShozi uBeast noShepherd bese sakhula noSiphokuhle Sibu. You know le yokuba influencer ngokwe terminology yamanje. Ngimkhipha uThumbeza ngithi akabe seceleni because we've been around, we've been there before ukuthi kwenzakala njani. Let me tell you something into yokulimaza. I grew up in the industry because there was bulldozer in front of me. There was a man okuthiwa uThokozani Madlenkosinene owayeqamba igama lithi Ngculaza uyena waqamba from AIDS.
Xaba lembadada.
Xaba lembadada. Labo baba bawufika kwindima yomsakazo wena noma kuthiwa influencer ukuyumkhakha wemedia. When you get to media industry, one bonke, even Kansas City, even Wilson Bingoso khona nje manje, Cruncher Kwane, the late Edison Nabanye. Babekutshela day one, ungaphakami. Two, babukabale mbadada wathi kumina, wathi lento ekuwena akuyona eyakho, khona umuntu omphathele yona. Lo muntu omphathele yona unochuku. Uyakubona mase ufuna ukwenza into ongayenzi. Uyakubona and lento engiyo as uLinda Sibiye, no Linda Sibiye. Khona umnikazi wayo wamda we are relate. Khona umuntu omphathele yona. The mistake why to Kansas City unganaki umsindo wama fans ngolimi lweni. Wathi unganaki umsindo wabalandeli. Wathi uma uzwa umsindo wabalandeli hamba ukhala ekhoneni ngoba kuza uma ibuthe negative and positivity. So you guys on television, on TikTok, and you imagine what about on TikTok and Yasibiya said to do events. Let me tell you something. Each and every day, the call time here, Yami, past 12. I was here at 20 past 12. If I go into a TV show, if it's 1 hour before, I'm there 1 hour before.
That's my principle.
So when I do this, I know and then all of us are called, but few are chosen. Few are chosen. And man khethiwe wayithi baba ugida ngaye uzingazenzo umantunzwana amakhalabo myambe intshongula athi mntana ami amazolo ayakhuluma imvelo iyakhuluma ngokuphathiswa into nayo wothi mawuthola ama likes ungathatha ama likes wafaka ekhanda lakho ngoba even if umuntu engakuthandi wena like edlulela ayibona ibhisa say hey wathi ngimgayi ngidlule hey wathi ngimdlule. So you must be grounded and phuma kwi-character kwi-microphone nakwi-camera and have you ulindo kuhle ngedwa bese ngibuka lo muntu oba se-stage every day ngithi 1 2 3 4 5 engakuthanda ngawe nengakuthandi ngawe and uhlehle wathi ubhodloza noma usudumile ungakhulumi down to your listeners. Let them hlale kwi same level because you know uthi ubizelwa abantu. And umuntu nomuntu, when mind you, the mistake that we do sometimes, you guys, young people, you think because of the TikTok and radio, television, and then screams. No, utisha unama screams, utoto unama screams, Bob Debo unama screams, taxi driver unama screams, scream about, lawyer and advocates, kakane, whoever, basha ulizanda. A cameraman oshaya jamanje at the back, umsebenzi wakhe bamshayeliza umuntu obalekile bamshayela izandla ucameraman but abamazi, but into ayenzayo uvela athi look at my work. Wena tool thina sephambi kwabantu, make sure umuntu uphatha icamera okunikeza the platform ilabo bantu ufuna sibukele kubona umsebenzi wabo uyabonwa but bona ababonwa.
Wow.
And I think just also a quick one from me. Njengoba uFelix kade chaza nje ukuthi this generation na ubaba Mdabe uke wabeka ukuthi le generation esikuyona sisenkingeni of economic pressure. You know, we can't really rise up as Felix could at their time. You know, there's depression, there's stress, there's anger. Kunakho konke lokhu baba Mdabe. And njengoba nje imali ingekho still. And sibhekene nale trauma, how do you as a man then rehabilitate yourself or go through some sort of therapy, but without going to therapy because you can't afford actually sitting down with udokotela, either because of economical issues or maybe societal issues? How do you navigate rehabilitation of the self?
Through self-awareness.
Sure.
Yeah, it's self-awareness. This is what it does. As you understand your emotions, your feelings, and learn to manage them, it actually graduates you into managing the self.
Sure.
The moment you manage yourself, you learn stability, you learn to anchor yourself, and you learn patience. Patience is a value and a virtue.
Come on.
The moment you exercise patience in every area of your life, you'll find that you are now equipped to receive from the grain of life what is deserved of you. You see, for instance, Masutatus pay niggas 18 million rand, 24 cars, and a bevy of women. He'll be dead in 3 months' time. He will choke because agakabinayo isandla, grace, the strength of handling an 80 million rand house. Kwesinye isikhathi, you'll have to get married at the age of 42, have your first child when you're 45, and get the house that you desire at the age of 50. That is the right time at the right moment. Between the age of 20 and 45, you couldn't handle these things.
Come on.
Zinomninwazo. And umninwazo bese egodla uze ukhule emotional and spiritual intelligence, then he hands them over to you. Some of you young men are ill-equipped to be rich and to be running around. Just grow up in the process.
Sure. Shepherd.
Thank you so much. This is really good, man. I'm enjoying this. I think, but the question that I have, I don't know how do I put this question, but we're living in a society where I think you did mention that most of the loudest voices, especially online, because that's where the attention is right now, is women. And we find ourselves that a cancel culture, so to speak, and hence a lot of men now are silent when it comes to issues that are tilanat as a madod or young men, for an example. You find that the young men will be in a situation where something he's been accused of,
Sure.
And then women will gang over that young man. And no one is saying anything.
Yes.
To say, can we just get the fact before Simbetele? But now we're protecting our bread and our image.
Yeah.
So therefore this young man find himself as a lonely.
Yes, sir.
So Mbuzo Wamuti, how do we find indlela to help that young man would understand what I go ahead? Since you guys have been in the space and now I mean, you have seen how generation have been evolving, especially when it comes to entertainment, and now everything is like in Kantoli Silapa with social media.
When I normally encourage young men, because I've got this suggestion from a lot of men, don't call him, go to him. Don't call him.
Go to him.
Go to him, sit down with him, ask him whether he can handle the three of you just to sit with him. And make it a point with him, guys, we're going to hang around with it for a minimum of 2 hours. We want to hear you, your pain, we want to listen to you. We're not here to judge. Uzonamukela. And sit down and listen to him explaining his situation. Don't become judges. Give him validation,
Yeah.
comfort, and strengthen his inner resolve. He'll feel much better, and another group. Then he's going to regain his equilibrium. Chances are that he'll be better equipped to deal with the situation other than abandoning him.
Yeah. Thomas?
Hey, miss, you wanna go first?
Yeah, come on.
'Cause,
No, I have a question, so maybe
Yeah,
if you
okay.
want to echo this.
yeah. Unfortunately, Vethu, yonke society iba nento edila nayo. Iba nento kwesinye isikhathi nayo ehluleka ukudila nayo.
Sure.
During economic crunch, there was poverty, there was no economic opportunities, and the men angaleso sikhathi bastruggle after the World War. You know what I mean? And there was no babies, and people were dying, and immortality rate yanyuka, and you know what I mean? In this day and age, this day of information, unfortunately, it is the way the cookie crumbles. Once you get accused, you are on your own.
Sure.
Into what we see Zangayo is to divorce yourself from those situations. The reputational damage, the psychological damage, and there's no coming out of it. If someone accuses you of something and you can't prove yourself innocent, there's already people about you, we believe her. Even if we prove you and I've been a victim, with now proof 80, I was nowhere near that person. In fact, that is not even a person. They've not come out to say. And the person said, I was with this person that day when Black Coffee was here. He was never there. Here's proof. And they say, yeah, but still, maybe she's afraid to come out. You know what I mean? Just make sure that association, pray, pray, choose your people, choose the places you visit. uNkulunkulu uzokuhlenga kanjalo kulezi zimo efana njengalezo. Fika endaweni ubone ayilaying fanele endaweni lesuku uhambe mapro. You are safer with family, you're safer with people that you can trust, people that aba subscribe to my values afana nawakho. Otherwise, once it does happen, there's little uNkulunkulu kuphela ongakwazi ukulekelela. Njengamanje kunabantu abahamba bebheka on social media abantu abazoba attack. And that is, we live in a demonic world like that. So that is what Tinage, Njengamanje, is what kryptonite. As men of this generation, we can't do anything about it. It's demonic spill around.
Sure. Yes, please.
Yes. So we've spoken and touched a lot on the mistakes men make and nezinto esineglectayo, nezinto esama-victims of zona nani nani. I have a question here. Let's say you follow your father's guidance, ukhule ube indoda eyamkelwa emphakathini njengendoda eqotho. You wait for the right moment, you find the right spouse, you have your children, you build your house, you raise them well, and then you find yourself in a toxic environment within your own home. Here you have a wife who has suddenly evolved from the person you married and has become somewhat of an enemy within your own household. And when you go outside to seek for advice, to seek for help, then you are told, "Ay, Baba, genile. You need to sort this matter out and fix your home."
Yeah.
Without them realizing how bad it has become for you. And you are now in a situation where whenever you are driving home, you feel like, how am I going to make it through tonight? How does one then, as a man, navigate around a situation like that where even the men that you look up to are ill-advising you? Kulo umfazi hayi ungabi siyo wamthatha wazi usenthandana isikhathi singasungahlula umkakho. Those type of comments and the harder you try to express the intensity of it, the more they seem like how do you then navigate around a situation like that?
Ezinye izinto abantu abamnomani averse are not necessarily averse. They're therapy. I promise you guys, where even if you go to a social worker, go and express that pain. Not necessarily to provide answers, but as you speak your pain out, the brain begins to leak even fugitive feelings and emotions. And uzobona mawuphuma kule office uzophuma drained, but at least the pain has been released. The domain that is going to open up after the pain has released, ila uzoqala khona uthi reintroduce things that are valuable about yourself, as opposed to dying inside up until you've got suicidal thoughts. Because suicide is not an option. Yeah, you need to grind it.
Sayivala isikhathi asikho ingxoxo njengalezi they need to continue. Tumbeza babundabe bekhona bafethu. Siphila kwi stage say acting. People are acting
performative lives.
Yes, abantu they are fake. Your question there go on, my brother. You drive to your home, you don't want to get inside your home because there's no peace. And then babundabe says angiye kumuntu angiye therapy. Umuntu ozokhuluma nami umuntu osifazane. Already mangihleli phansi ngibona umuntu osifazane lo ongihlukumezayo mentally in other words umuntu osifazane. And then umuntu emsebenzini akangicoach akangisiza umuntu osifazane. Automatically I'm finished. Ngifuna babundabe massive on that note ukuthi this man uhlukumezekile. The wife akamnikeza ngetray, the wife umbona stupid, the wife comparison with other men. But the minute ungena abafundisi uyambamba ngesandla makuthandazo it's like we are in a nice marriage, in a good marriage. The minute we have abafundisi we go back to the same trouble. So this man when ehamba yokhuluma nomuntu omsiza ngokomqondo uzohlala in front of ulimala automatically. So umuntu osifazane mekhona no, you can stay, you can love her, you have to pray, you can fix this is okay. Oh wow, oh she cheated on you, wow, you can fix it. Just get the cause of why she did this. Oh, she's not talking good to you. Already this guy is damaged. He left that office, is damaged. He's going back to the home and no problem. So the son ozalwa ilo baba uthini ke ngithini mina to my son when I'm going through the same thing. I'm not getting a respect. You go to work, you are a man. Babundabe ngiza kwena fasibale ngawe. I'm a man ngiyindoda. I'm not happy at home. No one comes to a man and say, how are you doing? Awubuzwa kwi funeral you bury your father and then you leave. No one said it, but kuwena Tumbeza well done. Utumbeza goes and try and pay man for school fees. No one say thank you. Yeah, he's a man. He's indoor. The crew is they work hours are odd. The guy's going in stress. No one says anything. Oh, he works hard. He's a man. Oh, indoor. Oh wow, he's very strong. You lose cars. You bought another car. Oh, yeah, we told you he's going to come back. You lose umsebenzi. Oh, we got another job. Oh, we told you he's going to come back. No one, babundabe. How many therapists are out there? My daughter, there are few.
Very few.
And ngitinga indoda over honest. Amadoda funa iqiniso. Yeah. Mayiphuma office livala. Ithi baba ngiyabuya kusasa.
Okay,
yes, ikhali yembezi.
Ngiyabona amadoda ayafika kumina. Ifike yodwa. It's easy to see the truth in a man. And there's something very wonderful when you are counseling a man. You can't lie to a man because you could be destroying a generation in the future. And there's a lot that runs at stake because the guy has got 6 children, has got 4 children. he needs to recover so that he can go back to parenting. So once a man hears the truth, not abrasive information, but the truth, nothing else but the truth, they stand to respond and wake up to the truth. And they tend to take very decent statements of reality. They approach reality with utmost sensitivity. And at some stage, khona amadoda ethi cha, sengikuzwile Dimbane, ngiyakuzwa impela futhi uhamba entweni engicishe ngiyicabanga. Engibona kuzongisiza mina ukuthi ngihlukane nalo nkosikazi. Bese ngithi mina no, qhawe uma ubona ukuthi kuzokusiza lokho usu assesse kodwa sonke isimo seyingane nawe ngase ngik-encourage ukuthi kwenza lokho. So the man comes out with a decision. How come that in my office men tend to walk away with decisions? It's because we've been sharing the truth. So, ngithi mina discernment when choosing a therapist, look for somebody you trust.
Okay.
Get more information ngaye, then go to them. Yeah.
Ngiyakubona uyasonga Spear. Hleze enye into ebengifisa ukuthi ngidlulise kubafowethu laba basebancane kakhulukazi abasemakhaya bathamele lo hlelo lwethu losihleli la. Ezinye zezinto nami Sotobe uma ngihambele endaweni la ngisuke ngiyosiza khona abafana abancane, helping them become men. What I discover is abantu abaningi babuka oyise ngehlo lonina. Esingayazi ingxabano nabangayazi nabo ingxabano yabakhona phakathi kwamani nobaba eyalidela ukuthi bazi bahlukane. Kepha ngoba isikhathi esiningi umama uyathola icustody yomntwana, akhule etshela umntwana ukuthi babakho akakufuni, babakho abandina, babakho uhleli nentombi yakho, babakho kusenezinye ingane ezintsha lapha kude uhambela kude nawe, babakho akayifaka imali eyanele ukuthi ngikwazi izidingo zakho la inini. Angakhulu mhlawumbe iqiniso lokuthi ubaba was faced with mhlawumbe economic hardship, or ubaba naye waqhubeka nempilo waqala omunye umndeni awungamele naye unezinto ezithatha imali bese nikeza wena, but le ayinikeza wena futhi ibheke wena kanti nawe unezinye ingane zakini uma wakho aqhubeka ayithola la ayinaneli nonke le mali, but lezi ingane ezilapha ziphila kahle uyabona. And then they grow these resentments against the father until they become men themselves and the father is maybe dead or mhlawumbe akasenayo access kuyena, and then they realize ukuthi actually I turned out this way because of the distance between me and my father, and now lengikhona sengumuntu wakama mina kahle kahle uma wakacele mina sengindodana la kacele kanti mina baba ngahlatshwayo ngumhayisi, but anginawo ama values akahlatshwayo, anginayo identity akahlatshwayo ngoba ngihlale la ngaba indoda yakhe sengumshana mhlawumbe noma usekhulile naye wahamba. And that is leonto leyo island abayithola bekuyona esikhathi esithile. Angazi mina nginabo ubuhlakani bokuyichaza kahle, ngakho ngizocela ukuthi ningamele ukuthi how do you teach young men ukuthi bakwazi ukubuka ngehlo or a lens ekwazi ukubona ukuthi cha loku uma ungamfuni ubaba athi baba ngifuni mina or mina angingayingeni kakhulukazi into zabantu abadala or angibe nobudlelwane bababa ongelila ngoba idlozi lami engilikhonzayo kodwa ngisaphila naye emhlabeni ukhona kodwa ngine distance naye angazi ukuthi kuchaza ukuthini ukuba umhayiso uba wahlatshwayo. But iyona inkinga engiyifica ukuthi iba khona abafana abazondo oyise ba end up benga metamorphosize into mature men because they lack.
When you hate something, you become it.
Yeah. If you hate something,
you become
it.
that what you hate. So what I normally check first, how much information does the young man know about his dad? And 99% of the time, I always find these young men wanting. Little do they know about Baba Waki. But saying you check again, juxtapose with information. How much information does he know about her mom and her activities? Utoluti shares a lot to say about Mawaki, but ogningi in narrative ekamgak Mawaki. Nezinto aifito kuboka Mawaki. So ngithi mina I want to give you permission to go and investigate more about your father.
Come on, yeah.
If it means you have to sit down with your father and do positive confrontation. Don't fight with your father. Positive confrontation. E.g., that what you gave up, why didn't you fight for me?
Yeah.
Let your father explain why he never fought for you. Maybe the odds were against him, they were even threatening his life. So those are some of the things that I share
Yeah.
Tumbeza with men. How much information, young men, do you know about your father? It helps a lot.
Guys, thank you so much. Sawakul Gagasi FM, last Kruma Corner from Boys to Men. Windod, I want to say something, Mrs. Vala. Windod, ienga yakho ngasekwenzela ukuthi izizukulwane esizayo silimaze wena naso phinde sife because of the anger. You're a man Windod njengamanje. You protect yourself, you provide for the family, and then you love your family. But don't make a mistake. Date yourself as a man. Zazi nawe before wazi izingane oyikhulisayo ongamathumbu akho obasuka okhalweni lwakho okubalekile to indlela ibuza kwaba phambili bakhetha abantu ozobuza kubona. We love you.
Thank you so much.
May God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Kagasi FM.